Exercise number 1, TRX tricep extension. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold the TRX straps with arms straight in front of you. Lean forward and bend your elbows to lower your body. Extend the arms back out, squeezing the triceps at the top. Exercise number 2, dumbbell incline row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie chest down on an incline bench with dumbbells hanging. Pull the weights toward your hips, squeezing your back muscles. Lower slowly and keep elbows close to your body. Exercise number 3, dumbbell incline bench press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie on an incline bench holding dumbbells at chest level. Press them up until arms are straight. Lower under control while keeping shoulders stable. Exercise number 4, cable shoulder press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand between the cables at shoulder height. Press the handles upward until arms are fully extended. Bring them back slowly to maintain constant tension. Exercise number 5, cable lateral raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold the cable at your side and raise the arm out to shoulder level. Keep a slight bend in the elbow and avoid swinging. Lower with full control. Exercise number 6, barbell bicep curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Grip the barbell shoulder width and curl it up toward your chest. Keep elbows locked by your sides. Lower slowly to feel the full bicep stretch.